Professional Secret Lesson 4: The Time and Motion Efficiency. Ever wonder why professional cleaners finish your whole house in the time it takes you to scrub one bathroom? It's not because they work faster, it's because they work smarter with systems you've never seen before. Professional cleaners understand ergonomics, tool selection, and motion efficiency. Every single movement is planned to minimize steps and maximize results. They carry all supplies in organized caddies, use extension tools to avoid constant bending and reaching, and clean in patterns that eliminate backtracking entirely. While you're walking back and forth searching for supplies and repeating the same motions over and over, professionals have eliminated this waste through proper planning and movement optimization. They understand that true efficiency comes from optimized systems, not rushing through the work. Amateur cleaners waste enormous time on inefficient movements, walking to get forgotten supplies, bending when extension tools would work better, and cleaning the same areas multiple times because they didn't follow the right sequence. At Made Perfect, our contractors master these professional systems. They carry commercial-grade organized caddies, use ergonomic tools that prevent wasted motion, and follow scientifically proven cleaning patterns. That's why our team can deliver superior results in less time than it takes you to clean your kitchen. When you choose Made Perfect, you're getting contractors who understand that professional efficiency saves hours of effort through smart systems, not speed. Your entire home gets the deep clean it deserves while you reclaim your weekend. Ready to experience professional efficiency for yourself? Book your clean online and discover why our systematic approach delivers better results in half the time.